Oke, sambut Pak. Siap. Okay, good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm happy, I'm healthy, I'm alive.
Okay, great. I'm also happy to see you again. Okay, ya. Paraka senang sekali bisa bertemu kalian. But before we start, I want the captain, leader, please lead prayer.
Before we start our meeting, let's pray. Pray to start. Pray finish.
Thank you, Rizky. Ya, jadi kita akan mulai untuk pembelajaran hari ini. Before we start, is there anybody absent today? Who is it? Okay, Zahwa. Zahwa is absent. Okay, yeah. Where is he? Oh, she is sick. Okay, she is sick. So we pray for her, so he will be healthy. Ya, oke. Ya, hari ini Paraka mau tanya. Ya, ini adalah pertemuan kedua. This is our second meeting. Ya, for our first meeting last week. Ya, so did you still remember what did our activity last meeting? Tadi ada yang masih ingat? Minggu lalu, Nadia, please. Making recipe, good job. Who else? Who else? Making recipe, and what kind of text is it? Raise your hand, please. Okay, Alisa. Procedure text. Okay, good job. Ya, jadi kita mempelajari konsep atau materi prosedur teks pada pembelajaran pertama di minggu lalu. Ya, today we'll continue our activity. Ya, but before that, I want to ask you, what kind of text, what kind of recipe that you have already made last week? Ya.
Turmeric milk.
Okay, Nadia. Recipe of the, what is it? Lemon shot. Yeah, what else? Yeah, Dava? Okay, recipe of turmeric tea. And what else?
The recipe of turmeric milk.
Yeah, the recipe of turmeric milk. Yeah, there are ginger tea, turmeric tea, turmeric milk, and lemon shot. Okay. So that kind of drink is some drink that can increase our immune. Jadi adalah resep-resep yang bisa meningkatkan imunitas tubuh. Have you made one?
Yes.
Okay. So you made one based on the reading, right?
Yes,
From the video. Yeah. Where else you can find the recipe? Yeah. Yeah, you can find it from the internet. Good job. Okay, Farhan? Yeah, you can read from book or magazine. Yeah, is there anybody else? Oh yeah, yeah, from your mom. Ya, jadi dari ibunya bisa. Yeah, sometimes we can get the recipe from our family. Yeah, from our mom, dad, or mother. Grandmother or great grandmother. Jadi nenek buyut kita. Ya, great grandmother. Ya, jadi bisa kita dapatkan dari banyak tempat atau banyak hal. Nah, okay. But before we go to the main activity, I need to explain the learning objectives of today's meeting. Yeah. So, today's meeting has two objectives. Yeah, last meeting we got three objectives. Yeah, we have already achieved tujuan pembelajaran 1, 2, dan 3. Now, or today, we will go to learning objectives 4 and 5. Ya, jadi tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini adalah mendesain. We are designing the draft that you have already written before into the poster using Canva. Ya, and then After you have already designed them, you have to present. Ya, jadi kalian nanti mempresentasikan, tapi di depan teman-teman kalian sendiri. Yang menilai adalah teman-teman kalian sendiri. Ya, after that I will ask you some question about your evaluation. Ya, tentang penilaian kalian terhadap teman kalian. Oke? Ya. Is that clear now for the learning objectives?
Yes,
Okay, good. Next, ya. Selanjutnya, ya. So last week, ya, I already explained that we go through project-based learning. Jadi kita membuat proyek kan ya. Salah satunya tadi resep prosedur teks berupa minuman peningkat imun. Ya. Nah, so there are first step that already accomplished, ya. Jadi ada tahap 1, langkah pertama yang sudah kita lalui yaitu pengenalan masalah. What is the problem that we have already learned last meeting? Apa? Yeah, there are some disease or COVID, ya, and we need to improve, increase our immune by making what? Yeah, immune booster drink. We design the project, and then, yeah, the next one, yeah, the third step, we making schedule. Ya, kita membuat jadwal. Kalian sudah tentukan kemarin jadwal pembuatannya ya, termasuk membagi peran dalam kelompok. Ketua kelompok siapa, who will design the poster and etc. Ya, today, ya, we will design. Ya, so we will do pelaksanaannya, mendesain posternya. Kemudian we will assess, ya, by presenting in front of your friend, and then you do evaluation and reflection. Ya, so this is the project we will do. I mean, yeah, today. So, is that clear enough? Okay. Yeah, I think before we go to the main activity, I need to do something to you, yeah, because you're very sleepy, yeah, and you're not focused today. Yeah, we will do ice breaking. Yeah, the ice breaking is simple. You just need to follow my instruction. Yeah, the game name, I call it I say. I say. Yeah, I say. So who will say something? Me. Yeah, Paraka. Not you, because I say. Ya, when ketika Paraka mengatakan I say dan diikuti dengan instruksi, you will have to do it. Kalian harus melakukannya. For example, I say stand up, you will stand up later. Nah, wait. Ya, tapi kalau Paraka tidak mengatakan kata I say, jangan diikuti. Is that clear? Okay, let me check something first. Okay, ya. Jadi sudah jelas ya? Let's do it. Ya, ready? I say stand up. Okay. I say touch your hand. I say touch your head. I say sit down. Touch your nose. Ya. Okay, there are some students who still follow the instruction, ya. Paraka is not saying I say, ya. Jadi, oke, cukup. Oke, good job, ya. Jadi, walaupun sebentar tadi sudah meningkatkan sedikit konsentrasi kita, atau mungkin termasuk imunnya. Selain making recipe, we can increase our immune. Okay, I think that is the ice breaking, ya. Oke. We will continue the main activity. Ya, kita akan lanjutkan. Nah, what is it? Yeah, please pay attention. Yeah, is that something funny here? No. Yeah. Oh, I think you see this one. It's jamu. Yeah, it's jamu. This text we have already learned last meeting. Jadi ini adalah teks yang sudah kita pelajari minggu lalu. So what kind of text is it? Raise your hand, please. The rule is raising hand. Good job, Nadia. Procedure text. Okay. Now, what is procedure text? Anybody knows? Yeah, Nesha? Yeah, I see you raising your hand. Yeah.
Text that shows that how to make something or how to do something.
Okay, a text that shows steps how to do something or how to make something. Okay, how about Hiskia? What is the generic structure of procedure text? Mention it.
It's goal of purpose.
Okay, good job.
Ingredients or materials.
Yeah.
Third is text or method.
Okay, good job. Yeah. So there are three generic structure atau struktur teks dari prosedur teks. Goal tujuannya ya. Kemudian yang kedua adalah materials ya, bahan-bahannya. Yang ketiga adalah steps or methods ya, langkah-langkahnya. This is the important structure of procedure text. The last one, language features. Pradityo, can you mention the language features? Ya, Pradityo. Okay, you don't have to yell. I got a microphone here. The language feature is
Simple present tense, imperative sentence, conjunction, adverb.
okay, good job. There are 4 language features that we can have in procedure text. Yeah. So, is there anything difficult from the lesson review here?
No.
So, this is clear, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, good job. Now, it's time to continue your project. Ya, waktunya melanjutkan projectnya. Silakan menuju ke kelompok masing-masing yang kalian sudah tentukan ya minggu lalu. Okay, you can move now. Okay. Okay. Yeah, while you are moving, yeah, Paraka has already distributed the worksheet. Ya, Paraka sudah membagikan LKPD-nya. Ya, sudah menerima semuanya LKPD-nya? Okay. From the LKPD or from the worksheet, yeah, you can write down later, yeah, your draft, yeah, and if you have finished, you can start designing your project. Ya, kalian bisa mendesain proyeknya kalau sudah selesai. And if you haven't finished, ya, you can continue. But quickly, today is the last day when you have to finish according to our schedule. Jadi menurut jadwal kita kan hari ini terakhir menyelesaikan proyeknya. Jadi harus segera diselesaikan. Nah, what you have to do is to make a poster, or maybe the small version is pamphlet. Ya, this is the example. Ya, tapi ini masih dalam bahasa Indonesia. Paraka carikan contoh seperti ini, tapi kalian nanti membuatnya dalam bahasa Inggris. You have to write them down using English. Ya, this is another example, and this is also the example of poster in English. Ya, and nah, this is the manual one, but you have to make it digital poster using Canva. Yeah, can you use Canva, everybody? Okay, good job. I give you 20 minutes to finish your project. Yeah, if you have any question, please ask me. Okay, you can start now. Okay, silakan dimulai. You can open your phone, yeah, open your phone and design the poster using Canva. Silakan dibuka. Ya. Who will design the poster here? Siapa? Okay. So in this group, who will design? Rizky. Okay. Yeah. How about you, Ilham? You also open Canva?
Yes.
So you
We are gonna do this.
okay, good job. So it can be collaboration. In collaboration method, you can kalian bisa berkolaborasi untuk mendesain. Kalau tidak salah seperti itu bisa juga. Yeah.
Share the link to Ilham for so he can make a poster too.
Okay, good job. Yeah. Okay, if there is any question, you can ask me. Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay. Okay, Farhan,
Yes,
how is
sir.
it going?
like
Is there any question in this group?
no.
Okay. Oh, you made some additional tools. You write the tools also. Okay. Ya, kalian menulis toolsnya juga ya.
Iya.
Ya, oke, good job. Ya, it's complete. Ya, welcome. Oke, Peter. Ya,
Posternya tidak dituliskan tools
it's okay.
mengurangi aspek penilaiannya ini atau
No, it's not. Because the most important one, I mentioned 3 generic structure, right? The goal, purpose, or the title, yeah. And the second one is the steps, materials, yeah. And the third one is the steps. So the tools is optional, ya. Tidak perlu ditulis, tidak apa-apa. Tapi kalau ditulis lebih baik. Okay. So is there any difficulties? Ada kesulitan? Tidak ada ya. Okay. If there is any question, you can ask me again. Okay. Yeah. Alisa, is there any difficulties in making the design? It's already good? Okay. Thank you. Okay, 10 more minutes. You can design as good as possible, as beautiful as possible. Jadi semenarik mungkin, ya. Kalian sekreatifnya dituangkan dalam posternya. Ya, karena nanti yang menilai adalah teman kalian sendiri. Ya. Yang menilai Paraka hanya sebagian saja, tapi selebihnya yang menilai adalah teman-teman. Okay, Dava, you put some tools over there? No tools, okay. And what is it? The step is there are no conjunction over there. Tidak ada kata penghubungnya ya. Like first, second, then next. Yeah. It's better you put later, yeah, and then next one. You have to put we call it time sequence. Ya, jadi harus ada urutannya supaya nanti yang membaca itu paham, ya. Because sometimes if we don't write the time sequence, people will be confused. Okay?
Step 1, step 2 is anything like step 1.
Okay, it's good also. Step 1, step 2, but like the example that I have already given to you, ya. Jadi memang ada nomornya 1, 2, 3, tapi lebih baik jika menuliskan time sequence-nya. First, ya, second. Nah, seperti itu. Ya. Oke, welcome. How about Rizky?
Yes.
Yeah.
Second Python.
Do you put the time sequence already?
What?
The time sequence like first, second.
Ah,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. What is the title of your drink?
Turmeric milk for immune booster.
Turmeric milk. What is turmeric?
Turmeric milk is like the drink for kunyit.
Oh, yeah. So the yellow one, ya. Jadi
The
kalau
the kunyit mix to milk.
okay, kunyit, ya. Okay. So it will be yellow.
Yes.
Why don't you make it? Okay, so that one. So kunyit dicampur dengan susu, ya, turmeric milk. Yeah, I will try that at home after you have already made one of the recipe. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Have you made one?
Not
Not yet.
not yet.
Okay, you can also try when you have already finished the poster.
Okay, sir. I will try.
Okay. Okay, good job.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. This one. What did you make? Lemon shot.
Lemon shot.
Lemon. What is lemon shot? Why did you write the title lemon shot?
Lemon shot is very beneficial for health and immune booster.
So lemon, what did you do with the lemon?
Kayak lemonnya dipotong
Okay, you slice the lemon. Yeah.
mix with with
Orange.
all the orange, like
Oh, there are-
pepper,
There is ginger.
yeah,
Yeah.
ginger,
Uh,
ginger.
okay, and garlic.
Yes.
Yeah,
And then
it worth to try, I think. Ya, bisa dicoba nanti.
Yeah.
Rasanya semoga enak. Ya, okay. Is there any more question?
No.
Sir.
And I see that your work is already good because you put time sequence like first, second, yeah, next. Yeah, that one is good. Yeah. Okay. Good job. Welcome. Yeah. Okay, 5 more minutes left. If you have finished, you can send them to our WhatsApp group. Ya, kalian bisa kirim ke grup WA. Kemudian nanti Paraka akan cetakkan atau print di belakang. Nanti Paraka akan printkan di belakang. Oke? Okay, how about Claudius? Yeah, I think the design is all black. Why is it? Because it's fresh mint tea. Oh, and the mint is like gray color, right? Okay. Why is there is moon over there? Is this moon or flower?
Just access.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so you have to find a better picture, I think, to change or represent the mint tea. Ya, jadi kalau kita membuat poster, ya, usahakan gambarnya itu sesuai dengan yang kita sajikan. Fresh mint tea. Ya, so you have to find the mint leaves, ya, daun mint itu kalian taruh di desainnya, ya, supaya orang tahu ini daun mint seperti ini. Supaya tidak salah nanti daun kelor masuk. Okay, so is there any more difficulties? No? Okay, good job. Yeah. Alisa, have you done?
Yes.
Okay, so send to your to our WhatsApp group ya. Ya, nanti Paraka akan cetakkan. Ya, I will print them. Okay, 1 more minute. Last minute. Who haven't finished? Raise your hand. Ada yang belum selesai? Ya, you have already finished? Okay, good. Ya. Oke, 30 more seconds. 30 detik lagi. Ya, later you will count. Ya, untuk temannya yang belum selesai kita hitung nanti ya. Oke, let's start counting from 10. Count down. 10, 9, let's together. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oke, time is up ya. Silakan dikirim ke WA group ya. Sebentar, Paraka akan cetakan untuk kalian. I will print them. Okay, I've already print for you. It's very quick, right? Yeah, because it's very the printer is very sophisticated, ya sangat canggih ya. Jadi wireless, ya wireless printer. Okay, so who got the fresh mint tea? Okay, Claudius group. Turmeric milk. Okay, this group. Welcome. Turmeric tea, I mean, Java's group. Ginger Tulsi tea. Okay, Alisa group. Lemon shot. Yeah, Farhan's group. Welcome. Yeah. So, pay attention, please. Yeah. You have got the design. Yeah. You have got your own design, but yeah, we still not finished yet. Ya, kita masih belum selesai. Kita masih harus mempresentasikannya. Ya, we have to present them. Ya. But this time is different. Ya, kalian tidak mempresentasikannya di depan kelas. But you will have to present in front of your friends, ya, using a certain method. Jadi kita akan menggunakan cara presentasi yang berbeda. Paraka menyebutnya to stay, to stray. Anybody knows? Never heard of it? Belum pernah dengar ya? Ya, Paraka akan jelaskan dulu. Jadi seperti ini. Nah, di sini Paraka berikan gambaran group 1, ya, group 2, group 3, group 4, and 5. Nah, di sini setiap kelompok akan menugaskan dua anggota kelompoknya untuk menjadi tamu ke kelompok lain, ya. The guest will give evaluation, ya, akan menilai kelompok lainnya, dan nanti akan ada presenter di masing-masing grup yang stay, 2 orang stay di masing-masing grup, and you have to present for the guests who come to your table, ya, seperti ini. Jadi misalkan kelompok 1 nanti berjalan menyebar guestnya, misalkan ke grup 4 dan 5. Kelompok 2 ke grup 4, 4 and 5. Dan yang ketiga juga seperti itu. Ya. Kemudian then I will give you 3 minutes, ya, each to present, ya, to the guests who come to your table, ya. And after 3 minutes I will say to you, okay, time is up, now move. Ya, kalian harus bergerak lagi atau mencari kelompok yang belum kalian datangi. For example, like this. So, you move again, group 1, for example, to group 2 and group 3. Group 2, you move again to group 1 and group 2. Is that clear enough? Sudah jelas ya? Okay. Now, have you decided who will be the guest and who will be the presenter? Oke, ya sudah menentukan ya siapa yang jadi guest, siapa yang jadi presenternya, ya. Nanti tugasnya guest atau tamu yang menyebar ke kelompok lain adalah menilai. Nah, di dalam worksheet kalian, dalam LKPD sudah ada tabel penilaian. Silakan nanti guest atau tamu untuk menilai kelompok lain yang presentasi. You have to write the score here. Ya, this is the criteria. Ya, I have already written for you. Judulnya bagaimana? Apakah sesuai dengan tema? Apakah tujuannya sama dengan judulnya? Struktur teksnya lengkap atau tidak? Kemudian isi teksnya apakah sesuai judul? Dan tanda bacanya, sampai tanda bacanya juga perlu harus dinilai. And then, you also have to assess atau menilai the teamwork. Ya, cara temanmu presentasi. Itu juga dinilai. Can you do it? Okay, good job. Yeah. Now, please move. Yeah, please move to another group. Stray now. Stray now. Okay. Harus ada yang stay, harus ada yang stay. Okay. Okay. If you have found your group, yeah, please sit down. Please sit down first. Silakan duduk dulu. Rangga. Ya. Oke. What group are you, Rangga?
Yang pertama sih.
Okay. What group are you? Group 5. Group 1. Group 1. Okay, let's see here. Yeah. Group 1 is going to group 4 first. Group 1 will be going to group 4 or group. Oh, Rangga group 5. Yeah. You must move to group 1 or group 3. Nah. Okay. Okay, either one is okay. Ya. Silakan tukar dulu. Ya. Oke. Ya. Oke. Before you start presenting, I will explain a little bit ya. Sebetulnya to stray itu kalian bisa memilih sendiri. Oke, pay attention please. Ya. Jadi kalian sebetulnya bisa memilih sendiri, tetapi karena ini baru pertama, you do the to say and to stray, so I guide you using this one. Jadi kalian menyebar yang bukan kelompok kalian. Oke, have you find a different group from you? Jadi menemukan ya, beda kelompok ya, pasti? Yakin? Bukan kelompoknya sendiri? Oke, I give you 3 minutes to present to the guest. Please, 3 minutes from now, start.
So first, the reason why turmeric milk is have a lot benefit. First, turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effect. And also, turmeric milk has pepper. Pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin. And the third, turmeric milk have a cinnamon. Cinnamon helps our body fight infection and repair tissue damage. And the fourth, turmeric milk have a ginger. Ginger helps indigestion, fight the flu and common cold. And the last, turmeric milk have a coconut oil. Coconut oil is healthy fat, boosts energy and endurance. So the ingredients we need to make turmeric milk is 2 cups of milk, 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and pour the water in the pan and boil them. After that, in the minced meat, mix in the boiling further. 5. Boil the mix for 5 minutes until the flour absorbs. 6. Pour the extract into a bowl with
Hello, good morning everyone. Today we will show you how to make lemon shot. A lemon shot is very beneficial for health and an immune booster when it is most needed. It can help fight virus, increase your energy level, and metabolism. The ingredients of making lemon shots are 1 lemon, 1 orange, 1 medium garlic clove or 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 1 small ear ginger or 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, and last but not least, 1 tablespoon honey. The tools of making lemon shots are garlic press and knife. First step, first roast garlic with garlic press and let sit for 10 minutes. Second, cut lemons and orange in half by using knife and squeeze out all of the juice. Next, add juice to crushed garlic. After that, add salt, pepper, cinnamon, and honey. Mix them well. And last, your lemon shot is ready to drink. For notes, is delicious and healthy drink worth to consume now. That's all about our presentation and
Okay, yeah. So the first session is over, ya. Jadi kita akan bergerak lagi ke kelompok lainnya, ya. Are you ready? Okay, now move again. Ya, okay. If you forgot, ya, kalau kalian lupa, kalian bisa lihat ini. Ya, the next one. What group are you? Kelompok sebelumnya, kelompok awalnya apa? Kelompok 4. The next group should be moving like this. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Group 3, either group 4 or group 5. Move to group 4 or group 5. Nah, oke. Ya, jangan sampai yang sudah presentasi lihat lagi nanti ya. Oke. Oke, ready? Okay, you can start present now.
and also as well as and that's the step. First, mint, cinnamon, salt, pepper, and after the cinnamon,
So just 2 minutes now. Yes.
First, pour the milk into the pan. Next, add turmeric, pepper, cinnamon, ginger, and coconut oil. Then, whisk and mix them and boil over low flame. When it comes to boil, cool slightly until
Okay,
the
yeah.
flavors absorb
Okay, the
and
time is up.
turn
Time is over.
or into
Yeah.
the glass and
Now go back to your original group. Ya, kembali ke grup aslinya. Go back to your home group.
I'm sorry.
you
Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah. Okay, have you come back to your group already? Yeah. Now I want you, I give you time to discuss first with your group. Yeah, 2 minutes to decide the score. Yeah, for the group you have attend. Silakan diberikan nilai atau komentar. Ya, you can give the total score. Dijumlahkan, ya. Nah. Jadi nanti semua kelompok dapat nilai, ya. Okay, while you are deciding your the score, yeah, after this, I want its some representation of the group from each group, I mean, yeah, to give comment, ya. Jadi memberikan komentar terhadap penampilan temannya, ya. Jadi para kakak akan tanya, pengen tahu gimana komentar penilaian kalian terhadap teman kalian. Oke? Okay, are you ready to present? Not yet? Okay. 1 more minute. Okay, you can use it. We'll present first, later. Siapa yang sudah siap untuk mempresentasikan? Pertama, how about group Ilham's group? Ready? Not yet? Okay. Yeah, I think you need more time. Okay. So the first group is Dava. I think you already or you have already done. 1 is enough, I think. 1, just once, 1 group. Yeah. The evaluation for 1 group only. Yeah. Okay, because the rest will be submitted later, akan dikumpulkan nanti yang lainnya. Jadi Pak Raka hanya ingin tahu satu penilaian kelompok saja, ya, that you have already attend to. Okay, Farhan, is that already done? Finish? 1 group? Not yet?
Yes.
Okay, I think 1 group is enough. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so Farhan group will be the first one, and then the second one from this side already represented by Farhan, and then this group, Alisa, how about you? Ready, yeah? 1 group only. Give command. Yeah. Okay, Farhan's and who is the other guest? Rangga, you can accompany Farhan. Bisa menemani Farhan di sini.
Only one.
Only one. Ya. Okay. Okay, everyone. Please pay attention to Farhan and Rangga. Yeah, about they will be commenting about your design or your project. Yeah, please pay attention.
So I'm from saya nilai grup 3 itu skornya dengan the poster is pretty good and the structure is organized.
Organize.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
For the presentation, one of them presenters pronunciation is not correct. Like water is the father. Bacanya water.
Oh, water.
Jadinya father itu bacanya.
Oh, water. And she or he read them become
Father.
father. Okay. Yeah, it's a little bit a lot of difference between mother, water and mother. Is that
Water
water and father?
and father.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. Thank you for the detail. What group is it?
Group 3.
Group 3.
Claudius and Diva.
Okay. So please group 3 pay attention. So it's water, not father. Yeah, father is
Very good.
ayah. So it will be very different. Yeah. Okay. Can you spell it? Water. Okay, everybody. Water.
Water.
Okay. Good. Yeah. Okay. I think that's enough. Thank you, Farhan and Rangga. You can go back to your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Yeah. Okay, next, Alisa's group, please give comment to your friends' design. Who will present? Yeah, please. Okay, please hold the microphone. First, mention the group you are commenting to. Yeah.
My name is Nisa Karin Sondat. I'm from Group 2 and I will menilai kelompok 5. The score is 45. The way to explain is it good. The poster also looks neat and nice to look at, but the way of explanation is too fast.
Okay, the way of explanation is too fast. What group is it?
5.
Group 5. Yeah. The explanation is too fast. Yeah. You need to slow down more. Okay. Yeah. Is there any other group you want to comment?
I'm Rizky Martal from Group 2. I will commenting a Group 4. So the product content score is 49. The product content is pretty good, and there is a negative in the presentation because the presentation score is 45 because the sounds of the one is pretty small and there is a wrong sentence pronunciation.
Okay, so the pronunciation. What group is it? Group 4. Group 4. This one. Okay. Yeah, you can practice again. It's okay. Yeah. At least you try. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Group 2. Yeah. Hiskia and Nesia. Thank you. You can go back to your seat. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So you have already commenting to your friends' design and project. Yeah. Later, please pay attention. Yeah. Later, I need you to submit your evaluation. Yeah. About the project. Ya, dikumpulkan ke Paraka. Ya. Nah, nanti Paraka akan menilai satu persatu, memasukkan nilainya, ya, ditambahkan dari penilaiannya Paraka. It will be your project score. Ya, penilaian dari temanmu nanti ditambahkan penilaian dari Paraka. Jadi Paraka menilai kalian mengobservasi, mengamati dari awal pembuatan proyeknya. Nah, ditambahkan dengan penilaian dari teman kalian. So don't worry, Because sometimes your friend will give you a high score than your teacher. Okay, yeah. Okay, have you already finished? Okay, done, yeah? Okay, good job. Now, yeah, it's already done. Yeah, after the class, you have to finish, submit it, I mean, yeah. And then, this time, ya, we will have to conclude. Kita akan menyimpulkan apa sih yang kita pelajari hari ini. Ya. Nah, jadi sambil kita menunggu LCD-nya nyala, oke. Kita akan mengingat-ingat. Ya, we will conclude what do we do today? What is our activity today? Anybody can mention it? Ya, Nadia?
Using Canva.
Okay, making recipe.
Using Canva.
Okay, good job. Yeah, our activity today is making a recipe, yeah, of immune booster drink using Canva. So the recipe, what kind of text when we write recipe? Raise your hand, please. Yeah, Dava.
Prosedur teks.
Procedure text. Okay, together. Procedure. Procedure text. Ya, jadi bukan prosedur, ya, itu bahasa Indonesia, but procedure. Oke, ya. Jadi itu adalah kegiatan kita pada hari ini. Next. Ya. So again, can you mention what is the purpose, the general purpose or social function of procedure text? Anybody? Claudius, what is the purpose of the procedure text? Did you still remember? Text to show. Anybody can help Claudius? Yeah, Alisa.
To show how to make something or do something.
Yeah, that's right. So a procedure is a text that show us how to make something, recipe, for example, and how to do something, manual. But today we only learn about recipe. I think next meeting we will learn about manual, ya, procedure text, but in form of manual, ya, cara menggunakan sesuatu, misalkan seperti itu. So, is there any question from here? Is that already clear? Sudah jelas? Okay, thank you. I think that's all for today. If you have any question, ya, don't be shy. You can ask me through our WhatsApp group. Jadi bisa ditanyakan lewat WA atau mungkin pada saat ketemu Pak Raka. And I need to remind you, ya, next meeting we will do preparation, ya, about our next meeting. You have to prepare some things, some tools, ya. We will learn about procedure text in form of manual. Yeah. Is there any question about this? Yeah, I think we will discuss through PA group. It's okay. Yeah. And I have already sent a link to our WhatsApp group. I need you to do it at home later. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Before we end the lesson, I need Rizky to close by doing the prayer.
Okay, please stand up. Before we end up class today, let's pray together again. Pray, start. Pray, finish. Thank you. Sit down.
Okay. Thank you. It's already finished, Pak Sul.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Thanks a lot, Pak guys. Good job, I think. Nice teaching. Eh? Students
I'm
are
sorry.
really motivated and they seem enjoy your class. Good, very good job. Okay, that's all, Pak Raka. Okay,
Yeah,
see you in
Thanks
the
a lot,
next
sir.
session.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Good
I would like
morning.
to leave. Okay, see you next time.
See you next time, sir.